I'll just show you around the site.
Okay, this is our main site, Grosvenor Garage, which is ggcars.co.uk. As you can see here, you can go to our showroom, look at any of our cars, and there you'll get a video and all the details down the right hand side, even the finance package. You can change the deposit and also change the length of the agreement, and that will update your finance payments. You can get a part exchange online. You can do absolutely anything. We've tried to take it a little bit further now. If you go over here on the right hand side, we have a shop, an online web store. Just click on that. You can go directly to the web store. That's bccars.co.uk, and over here, if you desire, you can go straight back to used cars, used vans, or then we've got a buying a car section which should come in useful. Car finance 24/7, compare the market for an insurance quote. My Car Check, if you're not buying off us, we do HPI all our vehicles and check them on the accident register. Compare the breakdown cover. If you go to Car Finance 24/7, you can apply for finance. If you're buying from a reputable garage, you can arrange your finance before you go and then negotiate as a cash buyer. So, onto our shop. Here's a couple of things we use. Final Cut Pro, that's what I use to edit edit our videos. We've got an excellent affiliation with handmade Italian shoes. You can design them yourself, change the colours, change the leather and so on, and have them delivered to your door. Oakley men's sunglasses. We've got some Virgin affiliates. Luxury holidays, supercar experience, muscle cars, driving experience, flying. You can even fly in a Spitfire. Balloon rides. And then we've got here, which I've just flicked off, we've got here Holden vintage and classic car parts and accessories, which is tremendous. They stock a range of parts for old vehicles. Also this Steve McQueen stuff here. Let me just go across to our blog and see if I can find, yeah, if I go down to Holden Vintage and click on their website. I am trying to streamline it and make it more intuitive to use, but as you can see here, it's just, if you've got a classic car or a collector's car, it's just an absolute goldmine. There's everything. Here we go, just for what should we go into? Bonnet and boot parts. Here we go, look at that. All brand new parts. Bonnet cables. It's that site is just worth its weight in gold. If you go into our affiliate shops there, you've got Haynes Workshop manuals, 1, 2, 3 spare parts, DIY car service parts, Battery Guys, Virgin Experience. Here we've got drones, the drones I use, DJI Mavic 2 Pro, Manchester United online store, Manchester City online store. Now I know there's a few people out of our subscribers and all over the world who don't live in Manchester but support either Manchester United or City, and you can buy all their strips through that link. Let's go back. Affiliate shops. There you go. National Tyres and Autocare. You can get quotes for your tyres, arrange to have them fitted, arrange for a service. We've got pretty much everything covered. I'm moving too fast here. There's a couple more cameras that I use to make the videos, DJI Osmo Pocket and the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and there, GoPro Fusion, that's my 360 camera. And these are the people, Easy Space, they host my website, and I've been dealing with them for 20 odd years, and they've never let me down yet. We've also got some discount vouchers for them. There is a section for vouchers up here. I'm hoping to populate that soon. Not quite got round to keeping it up to date just at the moment, but as you can see, you will be able to save money, and hopefully it will benefit you to keep coming back to our site and for all your motoring needs. As I mentioned in the previous section of the video, we get 460,000 views off YouTube and 2.5 just on the website, and we only sell between 20 to 30 cars a month. So all those viewers now hopefully will be able to help and pay back for the loyalty and keep watching. Thanks for watching this video, and keep subscribing.